Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Alright, Jashine's gonna give you a private tour of this room. Where'd he go?
This is all our shoes. They're all mostly name brand, but they're alright. This is our plasma TV. It's currently getting maintenance on right now. Under maintenance. This is our guitar. Some guy signed it for us. It's somewhere on here. We just can't find it. This is all our clothes. All of them.
That ain't much, but
I mean, hey, it gets the job done, right? This is all our jewelry. There's a lot more.
Don't know where that came from.
Yeah, for sure. This is our bed. This is all the magic happens. What else? There's only one of these bears made in the whole United States. We have it. This is our food. I mean,
we eat healthy, we're vegetarians,
healthy.
You know, we gotta keep with the Funyuns and the candy.
Yeah, this is our flowers. We water them.
Every day, that's why they stay pretty.
Those two.
You know.
This is from Egypt. There's only like 3 made. We got one of them.
We beat you, Russell Simmons. This is our baby grand piano. Some shit on it right now, but it still plays good.
There's only one of these made. This guy's dead now.
That's Johnny Depp. Before he started looking weird. Alright, let's go through the rest of the house, right? Let's go.
Snowboard all the time.
Yeah, we're hardcore snowboarders.
We share it though.
Alright, let's take you into the bathroom. We don't really need to see in there that much, but
that's
where we do work, right?
Job done.
Alright.
I don't know about you, but I get mine.
This is one of the guest rooms. This is a little crazy in here. There's our brother. He doesn't really do much. Gets the job done though. This is plasma TV. Got the GameCube. We got thousands of videos.
Thousands of them.
Yeah. This is our armoire. There's only one made in the world. Alright, say bye. Say hi to the camera. Say bye MTV.